This is number 11, the newest one to the fleet, just arrived today. It's 2015 Chrysler 300, and we just got here. We haven't done any cleaning, we haven't done nothing to it as yet. So this is the newest member. Just got here. It's all dirty and all that stuff. Side is dirty and all of that, but so far looking really good. Looking really good so far. This is the back. Latest member. This is number 11. As I said, just got here today. We haven't done nothing to it as yet. We just got it. If we go through it, get it all cleaned up. So far, looking really good. Looking really good. Really good. Have a little thing right here. That's nothing. That's minor scratches. So far, looking really good. Looking really good, fam. Looking really good. Number 12 just arrived today as well. Number 12. Bad. Snacks. Side of it. This is inside. So this is number 12. Just arrived today too. Today. So far, doesn't look bad at all. Scratch here. We'll deal with that. So nice, clean mat. So far, looking good. Yeah, this is what I was afraid of when it come to upstate, boy. Rust. Oh my God. This is what I was afraid of, rust. Comes to upstate there.